This is the ECOFLOW Power Hat. Yes, it's a hat with solar panels, and it has been pretty horrible weather the last few days. As you can see, it's still cloudy, but we should have enough sun to test this out. So yes, let's try it out, guys. Okay, just before we go any further, let's look at the specs. We have two USB ports, USB A and USB C, that can be used at the same time. Okay, anything else here? No. It is IP65 waterproof, so yes, it can handle a bit of water. It has UPF 50 plus protection, 360-degree solar panel brim. Okay, in the box you get what looks to be a case. Nice little case. Put that over there. You get a quick start guide, and this must look like a lanyard or the strap to secure. See over there. And here's the hat. It's folded in half. So it's foldable, but only foldable in certain sections. And here's the junction box. There we go. Let's have a look at a bit more specifications here. You can do 5 volts, 2.4 amps max, which is 12 watts max. It's about 370, 380 grams. Alright, and as you can see, the light's coming on, indicating that we are receiving some sort of power. And on this side, we have little rubber seals for the ports, USB A and USB C. Yep, USB-C there, and USB-A is the other one. So I'll put the strap on and I'll model it for you. And these straps were very difficult to get on. So that's one complaint I have about this so far. It does go on, but it's very fiddly. Alright, there we go, I'm modeling it, and yes, I look absolutely ridiculous, but I don't care because it's solar panel on the hat. Look at this. Is that awesome or not? I'm wearing solar panels. Okay, I'll flip you around. Okay, it's a bit hard to see this, but it's 4.95 volts, 0.1 amp, and of course, the sun's gone behind some clouds. The iPad's at 88%, but we'll see how much I can gather from this in about an hour of charge time from the hat in these conditions. Okay, I got a longer USB-C cable and going to the iPad, about 5 volts, 0.2 amps. I'll check with you a bit later. Okay, as you can see, poor solar day. There's the hat, and we check our meter here, just under 2 hours. We got 4 watt hours, so it does work. I went from 88 to 91, but yeah, not the best holiday, but yeah, it works, guys. Be great to take this out when I'm going out for a hike and keep my phone charged without bringing a power bank. And yeah, I go on some afternoon walks, lunchtime walks, where this keep myself from getting burnt and also keep my phone charged. Alright, I'll do some more tests with this in some better weather, but there we go, the ECOFLOW solar hat. And the bonus clip, folded twice to fit into this little bag. It's also got some hooks here so you can hang it up and not lose it.